Hello, future scientists. In this video, I'm going to go over a really cool demonstration I do with grade 12 chemistry on Le Chatelier's principle. And inside each of these tubes, we have an equilibrium reaction of nitrogen dioxide and dinitrogen tetroxide. Right? This one is brown and this one is colorless. Now I'm going to show you two situations. Here I have ice water with salt to make it extra cold. And here I have heated water, not to boiling, but it's gotten quite warm. And what we're going to see is the effect on how temperature can have on a system in equilibrium. If the temperature increases, equilibrium should shift towards the endothermic reaction. And in that case, it's going to favor the brown substance, which is our nitrogen dioxide. So it should look more brown than it is now. Whereas if I were to cool it, it should favor the exothermic reaction, and that's the colorless solution. So it should become less brown. So we're going to see what happens. So here we can see at lower temperatures, the equilibrium shifts towards the colorless N2O4, which has fewer gas molecules. And over here at higher temperature, the equilibrium shifts back towards the reddish-brown NO2 gas. This is actually often seen in smog, which is the brown haze in urban areas that is more prevalent on warm, sunny days. Now, if you want to download the handout I give my students to analyze this demonstration, you can get it for free in the description, along with other resources. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.